Welcome to the ultimate vacation packing video. Now, I currently live in New York City with my boyfriend and we are going to Florida with a bunch of friends for 2 weeks. It's the opening of Epic Universe. Okay, let's check the weather. Do you see that? Do you see 90s all week? YouTube diary. What's today? It's May 14th. Today, I landed in Orlando and will be here for the next 2 weeks. As I was heading to the rental house, I realized I packed my whole summer life into a carry-on again. I own more summer clothes than winter, so it was heavy. Can I truly part with anything? We shall see how much is really a necessity. Just Kels. The first thing I need is my house slippers because can't walk around in your dirty shoes. Can't walk around in socks because the ground might not be as clean. So, indoor slippers, I actually took this from the Disney hotel in Shanghai. It was allowed. I'm pretty sure these are like disposable slippers. Anyway, so when it comes to living out of a luggage in the summertime, I touched on this in my last video, but I kind of put my hobbies in the front pocket as a last minute resort here. I also have an umbrella always. This is actually relevant. This was not so useful in Japan because it didn't rain the entire time we were in Japan, but this is Florida. Different. Anyway, I have, as per usual, my paint / sketch pad, my watercolor, and my 99-cent crayons. I'm pretty sure all of these things together is $3, but I really use them because when you're sitting by the pool here, it might be fun to paint. I don't know. We're here visiting Disney. If you're at a summer vacation house, you know, like the mom in the summer I turned pretty. Just chilling by the pool and painting, chilling at the beach and painting, chilling in Central Park and painting, all sounds so appealing to me. And sipping an iced tea during. I have my planner and my Muji notebook in here because even though I have my iPad, which you can draw on, that's in my carry-on item, I still love physical paper. This was like from Marshall's, $5, and this was $2 from Muji. And some pens. I don't know why I like to say the prices of things, because it fascinates me how you can have hobbies that don't cost a lot. That's everything that's in the front pocket. I gotta unpack that into the bedroom. Yes, she's about to explode. This is where getting minimal was hard. I kind of stuffed this luggage. If you are gonna bring more stuff, just bring a bigger luggage and check it. I'm on my minimalism journey at the moment. Okay, on one side is my 2 packing cubes filled with my clothing. These are all my summer clothes. In here I have my PJs, which is just one short set, and then underwear, bras, socks, etc. And then some loungewear, and then I'll show you my PJ set because it's so cute. So coastal. I'm not gonna unfold everything that's in my luggage. I will just show you my outfits as I wear them throughout this summer vacation. I also just packed some travel laundry detergent. This had them checking my carry-on luggage at security, but I got these from the expo for the Brooklyn Half Marathon, okay? And I'm using them. In here, I brought 3 dresses, 5 tops, mostly short sleeves and tanks, 4 bottoms, which is like shorts and skirts, 1 long sleeve sweater, and then 2 bathing suits. I have 1 2-piece bikini set, 1 1-piece swimsuit, and then 2 workout sets. Now the fun side, you know, you always got like a zipped up side of your luggage. We got a pouch that says Climate Action. It's a nonprofit I volunteered for once that has some sandals so I could wear them to the water parks and the pool here, or 1 pair of running sneakers. So I have 3 pairs of shoes total in addition to my normal walking sneakers. Then we've got my toiletries in this pouch. pouch, and then my makeup in this pouch. So, like I said, clothes and undergarments here. Then on this side, toiletries, an extra compact microfiber towel, and then I know another backpack I just had to. This is gonna be my theme park adventure bag. I actually got her while traveling. When I was 18 years old, my parents got me this in 2017 as a graduation present when we were in France. Gosh, every time I hear the fan move, I think it's an alligator. I get so scared. In here, I have the accessories in this bag. I have my Baymax hat and my bucket hat. Of course, if you know, you know. Ephraim got me this the first time we ever went to Disney together. We have a Lululemon headband for running. We got some sunglasses, and you know, bags inside of bags. My mom gifted me this for Christmas. It's the Lululemon classic belt bag. So if I'm not using this for theme parks and water parks, which I would put the towel in and all the things that I need, if I just want to go for like the afternoon to Epcot, or like don't want to carry so much, just this. Honestly, it isn't that much stuff. Maybe you can do without the art supplies. I don't know if you guys are interested in what I wear for makeup, but I'll just show. Eyelash curler, a mascara that I should probably change, a lipstick that I use also as blush, eyebrow gel, concealer to conceal my flaws and it still isn't enough, eyeshadows with a brush. I like some color in my life, and that's literally all I wear for makeup on top of my sunscreen. She looking messy. It wouldn't be a complete what's in my summer carry-on, not only without showing you all my outfits, which I will show you later on, but showing you honestly what are my toiletries. And if I'm being honest, I have another toiletry pouch. I'm just reusing this one that I got from an Emirates flight. I'm pretty sure it's made out of paper, so it could just completely fall apart soon. In here is some aloe vera that is almost gone. Again, we're in Florida. Even though I'm pretty tan, I could burn. I have this glass bottle filled with rose water witch hazel spray that I refill, and I spray it all over my face as my toner. I had to get some travel size face wash. I do want to get better about plastic, you guys. This is not good. And that's everything in this pouch that I couldn't fit in here. Oh my goodness. This is a comb, again, that I've had for literally 10 years. It will last me forever. I've not bought another brush or comb in my life. Here, we've got a tongue scraper, which is good for oral hygiene somehow. Floss. My plastic toothbrush, guys, my dentist gives these to me. Before I could say no, my dentist gives me toothbrushes. I'm gonna have to tell her no because I want to start using bamboo. It's hard to go eco-friendly, slowly getting there. Then we've got my hygiene kit. I show this in every packing video. It just has a nail file, nail clipper, little cleaner thing, and tweezers. Here is a face mask. This was a gift and I'm trying to slowly use it. I stole this also from Disneyland Shanghai. It's laundry detergent, which I should put with the other laundry detergent, and I want to use that. We've got other skincare that I use. For my acne, guys, I struggle with acne, and the Ordinary salicylic acid has been helping with any breakouts. It takes a few weeks and I have to be consistent, but eye drops. I have dry eyes ever since I got laser eye surgery. This last section of the pouch, I got this in Japan. It's hand cream that I'm trying to finish and use it as body cream. I'm sorry for all the plastic. I have my face moisturizer. So body cream, face moisturizer. Again, this was a carry-on, so I couldn't bring full-sized items. Been struggling with dry skin, so Aquaphor, more plastic. Then we've got menstrual cup. Every single vacation I go on, I get my periods. I was on my period during my half marathon. Always a fun time for the girlies. We've got more body lotion. I don't know, I'm trying to use up everything that's in my house that is travel size. Did not purchase recently. This has been in my house maybe for like a year. Razor to shave, and then last but not least, some wax strips. If you're a girl, you know. That's everything that is in here. We got a lot of stuff to use up, y'all.
the one with the Rice Krispie treat?
I have not. I'm not going to either. Oh, ton. Chocolate chip marshmallow cookies is the best.
First time.
No, I've actually been here once.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's my first
Hi,
time.
have you ever been here before?
No.
What? You haven't been here? That's crazy.
I know.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Which one do you want?
Probably the classic. Oh, the mug.
Ratings, how are we feeling?
9.2.
9.2. What do we have here?
Salted chocolate.
Salted chocolate?
9.3.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
A 9.
Solid 9.
Oh, yummy.